all of you. We are discussing about second video of acetylmethylene compounds. This is the reactions of acetoacetic ester. In previous class we are discussing about the preparation of acetoacetic ester. Now we are discussing about the reactions of acetoacetic ester. First one is the preparation of monocarboxylic acids from the acetoacetic ester. Second one is the preparation of dicarboxylic acids from the acetoacetic ester. Reaction with urea, hydrolysis reaction. These are the four important reactions of the acetoacetic ester, as well as the malonic ester also. Preparation of monocarboxylic acid, preparation of dicarboxylic acid, reaction with urea, hydrolysis reactions are more common. First one, monocarboxylic acid. What is meant by monocarboxylic acid? The compounds which contain only one carboxylic acid, COOH group only one COOH group, those compounds are said to be the monocarboxylic acid, as well as the dicarboxylic acid containing the two COOH groups. So these are the dicarboxylic acid. Urea, reaction with urea, you know the formula of the urea, as well as hydrolysis reactions. First one, preparation of acetoacetic ester. Preparation of acetic acid from the acetoacetic ester. In this reaction, first take the acetoacetic ester more commonly. Acetoacetic ester when hydrolysis in presence of concentrated NaOH. Acetoacetic ester is hydrolysis జల విశ్లేషణ చేయాలి. దేంట్లో NaOH సమక్షంలో జల విశ్లేషణ చేస్తే మనకి ఎసిటిక్ యాసిడ్ వస్తుందని చెప్పేసి చెప్తున్నాం. అలాగే ఎలా వస్తుందో చూడండి ఒకసారి. First write the acetoacetic ester, CH2CO, CH3, COO, C2H4. This is the acetic ester, acetoacetic ester. This bond is break. NaOH hydrolysis. Hydrolysis gives the H2O, H plus and OH minus ions. Here H plus and here OH. Hydrolysis. H plus and OH. So CH2H, CH3. Here COO, C2H5. COO, C2H5, C2H5O minus H plus and OH. H2O split into the CH2H and COOH. Totally the CH3COOH. Here CH3COOH. CH3COOH. Two molecules of CH3COOH and C2H5OH. This is the C2H5OH. Taken the acetoacetic ester when hydrolysis in presence of concentrated NaOH gives the two molecules of acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. This is the acetic acid, monocarboxylic acid, as well as the preparation of propanoic acid. First take the acetoacetic ester, CH2CO, CH3 and COO, C2H5. We are clearly know about the structure of the structure or formula of the acetoacetic ester. We have to write that clearly. Okay, acetoacetic ester when it is reacted with the sodium ethoxide. In sodium ethoxide, Na plus and OC2H5 minus. We know about that. First, C2H5O minus, it abstracts the proton from the CH2 carbon. So, totally it convert into C2H5OH. CH2 is written as the CH and H. So, H plus proton is abstracted by the C2H5O minus and form the C2H5OH. So, it is the remaining. CH minus when it is reacted by the CH3I, methyl iodide containing the CH3 plus and I minus. CH3 plus is attacked at the CH minus ion. So CH minus and CH3. These are commonly CO, CH3, CO, CH. It does not changes. So CH, CH3, CO, CH3, COO, C2H5. When it is hydrolyzed, commonly this bond breaks and OH. Again COO, C2H5, COOH and C2H5OH. Totally CH2, CH3, CH3, CH2, COOH. This is the CH3COOH acetic acid byproducts. These are the byproducts, CH3COOH and C2H5OH. These are the byproducts. Clearly observe that CH3 and CH, here hydrogen, CH2, totally this bond totally break down. So this one COOH, CH3, CH2, COOH. 3 carbons are here. 1 acid is there. So totally propanoic acid. Acetoacetic ester when hydrolyzed gives the propanoic acid. Similarly, butyric acid. First take the acetoacetic ester. When it is reacted with the sodium methoxide Na plus and O minus C2H5. Na plus and OC2H5 minus. So OC2H5 minus abstract the proton from the CH2 carbon and form the CH minus. When it is reacted with the CH3 CH2I, here CH3 methyl iodide, 1 carbon adding, here 2 carbons adding, so CH3 CH2I, CH3 CH2I, CH3 CH2 plus I minus. When positive part attack at the CH minus, so CH3 CH2 and CH, it is written as usually CO CH3 and COO C2H5. When it is hydrolyzed, here hydrogen and here OH, as well as here H and OH. Totally CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH, CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. Byproducts are C2H5OH and CH3COOH, acetic acid. This is the butyric acid, CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. 4 carbons but and COOH. So totally the butyric acid. Finally the N-valeric acid. Pentanoic acid also called as the valeric acid. N is the natural, normal, chain increasing one by one, that is represented by the N. So N-valeric acid, pentanoic acid, valeric acid is the same. First take the as usually acetoacetic ester. When it is reacted with the sodium methoxide getting the positive charge and OC2H5 minus negative charge. In this negative charge abstract proton from the CH2, so CH minus and then Na plus will attack there. Next step, CH3, CH2, CH2I, 3 carbons added. So CH3, CH2, CH2I, CH2 plus I minus. This is inserted here. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, COCH3, COOH5. Yeah, usually written there. Then hydrolyze. Hydrolyze gives the this bond breakdown and OH. Here H. Here H. OH. Totally CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and COOH. This is the byproduct CH3 COOH. CH3 COOH and C2H5 OH as usual. These 4 compounds containing only COOH group only. One COOH group only. So these are the called as the monocarboxylic acid prepared from the acetoacetic ester completely.